Let's go higher. I think this is, yeah, okay. I think this is in. So now,
So it's just resting on top of the stone.
rusting where?
Yeah, that's cool.
What do you mean?
So there is a lip. Maybe it should be on.
Take a look at my photos I did. I think if they wouldn't be that heavy. This needs to
So
go.
should I push the left one up while you slot that one in?
Easier said than done. So,
What is that?
fast da, but it needs to lift. Oh, maybe it lifts like that. Yes. No, I think this is the correct way of having them.
Yeah, and the left one is on that lip I was talking about. So
On what lip? I think that looks good to me, Mike. I think they're perfect.
and they're joined in the middle.
Yeah, they are joined in the middle.
Okay, then I think it's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Well done.
So now we can clean it. And I put the metal stuff out. Oh, yeah. Actually, it's not as sturdy as I thought it is, but it is. This is not insulation. This is dust.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this accumulates, and at some point it stops airflow. And yeah.
Okay, better get cleaning then.
Yeah. But maybe not good idea to do it here because of all that. It will be a horrible. See the back? And now here.
Oh, it's good for the garden.
Yeah, that's the reason I put it over there, but I can't use it. That's it. It's good to do it just before summer.
That should go much more efficiently.
No, I don't think it would be but the risk of a fire. So I think that's all good. This bit. And now we just have to take the other side. So I'll turn
And what are you doing now?
clean the pipe.
Oh, looks nice.
Yeah, I think, well, it's wet now.
Looks shiny. What oil is that? It stinks.
It's WD-40.
Oh.
So I think, are you filming me? Now I got you.